Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on our modes and routines app on the app screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So how to do it? First of all, we need to open our phone's settings. Then we need to navigate to modes and routines. Now, in the top right corner, we have these three dots. We need to tap it once, and now we can access settings. And here it is, show modes and routines on app screen. When we tap this option right here, when we go to the app screen, here we have our modes and routines app. It's a pretty convenient shortcut. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.